Hello, in this video I will be discussing the analysis of the data presented in this Excel dashboard. The data shows the sales made by a motorbike and accessory store across 3 years from 2017 to 2019. There is another data sheet containing the information for the 2020 sales, which will be added to our dashboard later on. Now the dashboard shows columns including category, product, sales, and the ratings given by the customer for each of the products that they bought from the store. At the end of this analysis, this is the dashboard that we are trying to create, that was created from the data. So with the data, we were able to create this dashboard to show how the business was able to perform sales wise based on the category, the year-to-year change, and also the average rating that the customers gave for each of the products over time. Now the major analysis for this dashboard was done over sales by category, sales over time, the average rating over time, the sales year-to-year change, and we also add the average rating year-to-year change analysis. For the sales by category, we can see that it shows the total sales made by each of the categories. We can see that the accessories had the highest number of sales with 383,000 sales, close to 384,000 sales, and the lowest was the bikes category, which had 71,000 sales. The clothing had 209,000 sales, and the components had 133,000 sales. The data was this table was created using a pivot table so that the dashboard will be interactive, and using the pivot table we created a pivot chart, also which will make the dashboard also interactive. The next analysis was done for sales over time analysis. The sales over time analysis shows the sales done for each of the year, also showing the accessories sales as well. So in 2017 the sales made was a total of 111,000. For 2018 it was for 249,000, and for 2019 we can see it was 437,000. And then on the charts we can see how the accessories category show the highest number of increase, and then the other categories also had increases in their own aspects as well. Then for the average rating over time, we can see the rating that the customers give for each of the products and in each of the categories. The 2017 average rating was 46%. 2018 at 54%, and 2019 at 62%. We can see also from the chart that average rating had an increase. Accessories category had an average rating increase across the years. Also the clothing category had an average rating increase across the years as well. However, for the bike and the components, they had a dip in 2018 but increased gradually in 2019. So for the sales year-to-year change, it shows the way, or it shows the performance of the product or the categories in relative to the previous year. So for 2017, because we cannot compare it to any other year, so they are empty. But for 2018, we can see that for the accessories category, there was a 312% increase over the compared to its performance in 2017, and we can see the different increases that the categories made over the previous years. 2018 and then for 2019, and in total we can see that the 2018 sales was 124% increase over the 2017 sales, and in 2019 we had a 76% increase over the 2018 sales. Also, we can check on the average rating year-to-year change analysis shows the performance of the products with regards to the average ratings the customers give to the products. In 2018 we can see how the categories performed against the 2017 year, and then we can see for 2019 as well how the categories performed against the 2018 year, and the chart also shows us more information on that as well. Then with all the analysis that has been created, we were able to copy each of them and then create the dashboard that is shown here right now. We also added slicers to the dashboard, so we can individually choose different categories and different years to see how each of their categories performed in each of the individual years, or we can choose 2 or more categories and see how they performed in different years. Now, because at the beginning we mentioned that we had an extra data set for the 2020 sales, so what we want to do now is we are going to copy the 2020 sales, and then we're going to add it to our data set. And then once we've added it to our data set, we can then go back to our dashboard and then update to show the 2020 sales. And then once we refresh, we can see that the 2020 sales has been added to our dashboard. Now we can easily see how the company performed over the years 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020. And if we have more years to add, all we have to do is just add it to our data set, and then the dashboard will automatically update, because we've made it an interactive dashboard. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope to share more videos with you soon. Bye bye.